Let's talk about it today. This two-wing magnetic ring. And then, next, is the control of the pedal on the machine. Here we first power up the instrument. Get to know the machine in general. These are the controls on the screen. When we use it here, you can peel off this film. This invisible membrane has its borders. This protective film can also be turned off. Then on the interface, automatic, manual mode. These are the ones we have introduced before. If you know anything about our other products, Energy Plus all matters here. Recommendation of accessories. N stands for fully automatic mode. In this mode, we can make set selection. Then there are corresponding parameter recommendations. There's a clinical parameter, a recommended form, and here's the frequency. This frequency, we are temporarily in automatic mode. Don't pay attention to it. You don't have to adjust it. After we selected the parts, you can use it after starting it directly until it is an overclocking mode. In this mode, its frequency is the working sequence. According to 2K, 4K and 3K performs an alternate cycle to work. Of course, you can also switch to the next frequency through this button. In case of overclocking mode, it's more involved in neurological recovery. This is the automated interface. Manual will have one banner and FM control, so it controls the regulation. All can be clicked to choose different amplitudes. Frequency these, make a choice, and then fine-tune it. Fine-tuning of parameters by adding or subtracting numbers. It is not adjustable if horizontal bars appear like this. This is not adjustable. The one with the number is the adjustable parameter. This can be customized manually. All customers have their own ones. Default custom scheme. You can use a manual interface, then make adjustments. All parameters adjusted. We can start to this repository from M1 to M10. Store up to 10 cans. For example, after selecting the location, click Save and there will be a long beep. This means that it has been saved successfully. Okay, then M1 to M10 are in the process of starting up. Want to switch between different modes? You can click this button to skip or switch. Clinical time adjustment here. You can set it yourself. Usually it takes about 30 minutes. Okay, then start pause here and stop these 3 buttons. On every interface, there will be. Okay, so this is basically the interface. The location of the machine. It is connected to the power card. Then press the power switch. It can be powered on and turned on. Then in front, there are 2 channels A and B here. Because of this machine, it belongs to a two-way single control. 1 orange and 1 black are output for 1 port. When we connect the handle, just plug in the color. This is a channel. Then B, also 1 orange and 1 black for channel. So this machine is a two-way control. We mainly look at the interface. There is 1 energy bar here, and it belongs to the single control. How to describe the machine? Then this machine. The customer purchased one of our horseshoe mats. Okay, here we go. Teach customers how to connect the horseshoe pad to use it. Let's turn off the machine first. Then connect the handle first. Let's take a look at the handle connection. Let's start with the orange and black lines. Make a connection. This is indistinguishable. We can do it the other way around. Let's plug in the color correspondence first. We try to put the line like this. Don't roll into that twist. Just try to make it as straight as possible. The straight can't. Then we put the handle of the fan cable. Connect to this hole. When connecting, we point it in the direction indicated by the arrow. It corresponds to this location. The arrow indicates the direction. There will be a bar protruding in front of it. We find this recessed point. So it's pointing to our left. Just insert it. Then the handle is connected. Here we go. We need to put the handle in the mat. For example, customers need to give pet feet, including the hooves of the horse. We can use this mat. Treat. We press the straight line. The handle is facing up. After the output is put in face up, we do this directly by putting the power on the machine. Then just operate it, and the hooves are in the middle there. For example, put it in this position. You can have energy. It works on his parts. Then the settings on the interface. For example, the part he wants to operate. After we enter the operation mode, direct selection of parts, then click OK. After that, we directly click to start. At this time, this horseshoe pad is outputting. Then according to the condition of the horse, to increase this energy, if during the operation, the horse is frightened, might be a little exciting. Let's turn the energy down a bit. Our normal operation is to tie the horse first, bolted to a stick. Avoid moving horses, because when the energy is output, horses are bound to be startled, so you need to try to adjust a comfortable energy. Let it get used to. We will slowly adjust the energy to operate. All animals are. Let's show it again here. Connection of other handles. Okay, next we show how we can use, such as human body therapy, or some small animal therapy. We can use some smaller circles, or some other optional or standard rings purchased. When we connect, also in the state that the machine must be stopped. It can be powered on, but don't be in the working output state. Go plug and unplug the handle. Clients must remember. Then I'll take the double circle here, and a ping pong bat. If the customer, there are others, such as cushions or large rings, is connected the same way, we put the corresponding color here. Just plug it into this interface. Plug it in like this. Control on the interface. It is also the same channel to control all the handles, because the machine is single controlled. So here we set the energy. After starting it, it is working.
就是我们